In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Xero certified. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills, boost your accounting know-how, or simply add a new qualification to your professional profile, becoming Xero certified is a great step forward. This process is straightforward and can be completed online at your own pace. Let me guide you through the steps. First, you'll need to open the Xero website using your preferred browser. You'll find all the necessary tools and resources here to start your certification journey. Once you've accessed the site, you'll want to navigate over to Xero Central. This is the hub where you'll find a variety of learning opportunities laid out clearly. Next, look for the Learning section on Xero Central. This section is your gateway to a multitude of courses designed to help you become proficient in using Xero. It's designed with users in mind, ensuring that learning is both accessible and comprehensive. Once you're in the Learning section, you'll see a clear option for Xero certification. This is the specific pathway you'll want to take. The Xero certification course is structured to be user-friendly, offering both foundational knowledge and deeper insights into using the platform effectively. As you click on the Xero certification, you'll discover a variety of courses available. These courses are designed to cater to different levels of expertise and areas of focus, so you can choose the ones that best fit your current skills and future goals. The courses are thorough and engaging, presented through a combination of videos and interactive quizzes to test your understanding as you progress. It's important to take your time and go through each course, making sure you fully comprehend the material presented. The courses are designed to be self-paced, allowing you the flexibility to complete them according to your schedule. Be sure to take advantage of the quizzes, as they're great tools to reinforce what you've learned and ensure you're retaining key information. Upon completing the courses, you'll receive your Xero certification. This certificate will not only be a testament to your newly acquired skills, but also a valuable addition to your professional credentials. Whether you're an individual looking to improve your proficiency or a business aiming to enhance your team's capabilities, Xero certification is a worthwhile pursuit. Remember, if you encounter any obstacles or have questions during your learning journey, Xero Central also provides support and FAQs to assist you. Taking the time to become Xero certified can open up new opportunities and provide you with a competitive edge in the accounting field. And there you have it. I hope this guide has given you a clear and comprehensive understanding of how to become Xero certified. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy learning.